Hello. Recently, many of our Amazon customers have complained that they are not able to get clear impression out of their shiny embosser. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to assemble the embosser correctly and get the clean and clear impression. So here is the shiny embosser in my hands. This is the shiny embosser plate. So just look at the bottom of this plate. This plate have 4 holes. Two are here and two here. These holes are going to play important role to create the impression. What actually customer does when they insert the plate, either they push it too deep or sometimes they don't push it enough. That's why they are not able to get the impression correctly. So I will tell you what is their basic issue. See, look at this. It seems that insert is inserted in this embosser, but it is not going to give you any impression because these holes are not properly aligned with the handle. See, I am going to use this embosser on this paper. Look at this. Impression is not visible, or you can say it's barely visible. So how to fix this issue? You just need to push the plate little bit and make sure the handle fits in these holes like this. Now it is properly fixed. Look at this. Now you can see the difference in impression. It is clearly visible and it was barely visible. So that is the all agenda about this video. You just have to make sure you insert the plate correctly. I will explain it again. Take out the plate, push it in the embosser, push it like this. Make sure plate is properly aligned with these holes, and this will work for you for sure. See again. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, please let us know. We will be glad to help you. Thank you.